In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing images in AutoCAD. Imagine this scenario. You've attached images to your AutoCAD file, but AutoCAD actually just refers to an external file stored on your computer. Now, if by any chance that image file gets renamed or deleted, when you open your AutoCAD again, you'll find that the image is missing. It's invisible, gone from your drawing, and that can be frustrating. But don't worry, there's a way to correct this by updating the reference location within your files. Now let me walk you through a simple method to bypass this issue altogether and ensure your images always appear in AutoCAD, regardless of what happens to the original file. This method involves using a screenshot, and I assure you it's straightforward and effective. First, you're going to capture a screenshot of the image you want to include in your AutoCAD file. If you're using Windows, you can take a screenshot by pressing the Windows key, Shift, and S simultaneously. Doing this brings up a snipping tool, allowing you to crop the image as needed. Once you've cropped your image, it will automatically save to your clipboard, ready for pasting. This tool is really handy for selecting just the part of the image you need, avoiding any unnecessary details, and keeping your work professional and neat. Now, with your image on the clipboard, switch back to your AutoCAD drawing. Position your cursor where you want the image to appear, right-click, and choose Paste, or simply press Ctrl and F, and there it is, neatly placed within your drawing. The beauty of this method is that when you close your drawing and say rename or even delete the original image file from your computer, it won't affect your AutoCAD file. The screenshot you just pasted will stay right where you put it, unaffected by whatever changes you make to the original image file. This ensures the integrity of your work, as the crucial visual elements are preserved right within your AutoCAD file. Remember though, as you move forward, this technique is particularly handy for when you're sharing files or working on projects that may be moved between different computers or stored drives. By embedding the image this way, you make sure the drawing is self-contained. Using screenshots means you'll no longer be dependent on those external file references that can change or disappear. It keeps things simple and secure. By following these steps, you can eliminate the hassle of missing images and focus more on what really matters, your project's details and designs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this solution helps keep your AutoCAD projects smooth and seamless.